Hey y'all, this is me, Olivia, clocking in. Okay, I fell on my neck about 6 days ago. It's really killing me. And I've been coughing the blood ever since. I got 2 swollen eyes. My eyes are swollen. I just hurt real bad. This morning I took 1,800 milligrams of gabapentin, 2 Tylenols, 1,000 Tylenol, 50 Benadryl, melatonin 10, aspirin 325. This is Olivia. How may I help you? Wow. Thanks. Whatever, girl. You. So yeah, I've been taking over 6,000 milligrams of gabapentin a day. Been taking over 4,000 milligrams of Tylenol a day. I've been taking over 40 milligrams of melatonin. I've been taking for my headaches. I've been taking Benadryl at least 200 milligrams a day. I've been taking drowsy. I don't care about the weather. I'm trying to do a video, and I fell out of bed yesterday, so I called the ambulance. My neck was killing me. I don't care about Facebook. I want to just get this video done. I don't care about Facebook. I want to get this video done. But yeah, I've been having a good face. I went to work today. I have 2 jobs. I've been working. Don't let nothing stop me. But seriously, I need to go to the hospital, and I can't get there. So yeah, this is Texas for you. This is ridiculous.